Hi everyone, welcome to the last week of Blended 6. I really appreciated you all coming out to the field trip, even though we got wet and cold. I think we all at least had a little bit of a good time. So with the theme of early Vancouver, you'll see I have a discussion, and the discussion is technology. So I would like you to think about the technology in 1925 and how it compares to today, and then read the 4 questions here and answer in the discussion, answer 2 questions, please. And they're all interesting questions. So after that, you have an assignment to write a letter this week, and you can write it online when you go to the assignment. It will give you the option to let you write it online, or you can upload a file. So you're going to write a letter to a friend from Burnaby in 1925. Describe what life was like then. Imagine how different it would have been. Write about the transportation, your daily life, and your job. So you have to use your imagination there. Or you can write a paragraph about the following. What would life be like now if we didn't have the zipper, the light bulb, penicillin, or insulin? So you could think about that and write a paragraph. All right, we'll go back. And so the next thing is vocabulary. So I'll click on the vocabulary. And this is a matching game. After you do the matching game, if you go down to the right, you can choose a study mode. You see when I click on this, it says match, learn, test, flashcards, spell. So you can do all of these to practice the vocabulary. And the vocabulary is from our field trip this week. All right. And go back. So then I have an article, a fun article, reading practice. You have to click on the link to open it, and it's 144 things Canada has given the world. So I'd like you to read the article. You can enlarge it to read it, and then you'll see there's questions. How much do you already know? So you can practice writing in the answers there. And there are lots of questions all the way down, and you can check your answers here. So that's your reading practice for this week. And then after that, you can, there's some grammar here, used to. Just so you know, again, click on the link, read the, you can watch the video. We're practicing the tense used to. So you can read over it, watch the video, read over it, and then here at the bottom are the activities. So check your grammar gap fill, you click on it, and there's the practice. Okay, so the practice is at the bottom of the page, and that's practicing used to. For Easter, there is an Easter listening. It's an interesting one. There's the vocabulary answer key from last week. And then a song, If I Had $1 Million. When I click on that, it opens to the Real Canadian Songbook. When you click on the video, it's going to say the video contains content from WMG. So you can watch it on YouTube. You just click on this and it will take you to the YouTube video. And you can listen to the words, listen to the video, or you can watch the video first. And then while you're listening, you can type in your answers here. And then at the bottom, at the very bottom, you can see how you did, and that will show you what your answers are. And this song was on TV tonight because the band, the Barenaked Ladies, were inaugurated to the Canadian Music Hall of Fame. So that's why I chose this song. Plus, you get to practice conditional tense. All right, everybody. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Remember to check your messages on the right-hand side. Check your spam, just in case they don't get to you directly. And have a wonderful week.